I'm Jamil.
I'm Daria.
And in next week's video,
we will be doing a cooking video.
Cooking with JD4EVER.
Yay!
Episode 1, Series 1.
We both have been super excited to do this video today, so we are very much ready to cook for y'all. We are going to be making hot flamin' mozzarella sticks. How you feel about that?
That sounds delicious.
It does.
I cannot wait till this finishes.
I hope it's
going
good.
To smash.
Yeah, yes, y'all. We are so ready. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like, comment something positive, and stay tuned for the video.
And once it's over and done with, feel free to comment more ideas that y'all would like us to try.
Yes.
I mean, it's cooking with JD4EVER. We're willing to, you know, get in here and whip some stuff up, get to chefing for y'all. So whatever y'all want to see made, comment that down below.
Yes, y'all. So first, we're going to go over the ingredients that are going to be needed for the video.
All right, so ingredient number 1. It's one of the most important. It's in the title of this video, Flamin Hot.
Ingredient number 2, string cheese sticks. Got the cheese sticks.
All right, what's gonna help it give it its crust? The flour.
Ingredient number 4, what will make everything stick together. Eggs.
All right, those are the essentials for making this dish. If you want to participate at home, those are the 4 ingredients you will need. So next are the optional items that we're going to be including in this week's video. First up, ranch. You could also do something like marinara sauce if you're not into ranch.
Alright, so those are going to be the ingredients that's needed for the hot flamin' mozzarella cheese sticks. So, shall we begin?
Let's do this.
Alright, you guys, so we are back with all of our ingredients to start cooking. We also need bowl and a plate, and we have our magic bullet to crush the chips. So step number 1, Mr. Spiller here is going to be the one to crush up the chips.
Let's crush these babies up in the magic blender or the magic bullet. This should be fun. All right.
I've been waiting on this.
Don't mind if I do. That's good stuff.
Chips.
Let's fill the sucker up. There we go. Alright. Let's start with that. Alright. Screw this baby back on.
And we're gonna crush them up. This is the fun part.
And here we go.
Crushed ones on here, and then we gotta crush up some more.
Alright.
So we're gonna take that out. Hopefully that's not too crushed.
Look at that turned out, y'all.
Yes, crushed. But yep, these are the crushed ones, and then let's do a couple more, maybe like 2 more.
Okay.
Sounds like the grease is popping. Sounds like we're ready to start cooking. So, step number 2, Jamil Jamil crushed up the Flamin' Hots.
Pat myself on the back for that.
Pat, pat, pat. Good job. Next step would be to crack some eggs in a bowl. So I'm gonna just start with 2 eggs.
Yes, I do.
So crack that.
Anybody can crack an egg with their hands. Crack an egg with your muscle. Stop. Oh, we dropped the egg.
Don't we? You dropped the egg. Nah, let me show y'all this.
My last name's Spiller, okay? And I was being goofy. I broke an egg with my muscle.
No, you do not. Well, I'm gonna crack my egg.
I'll be back to finish the job.
egg number 1. Better hurry up before I crack the egg myself.
Don't do it. Don't you do it. If you do, I'll call you Daria for the rest of the
What? How much do I have to pay you to eat an egg yolk? To swallow the whole thing?
You got $200.
$200. All right, he's gonna crack the second egg.
Not with my muscles this time.
Not with his muscles, exactly.
Ta-da!
Second egg is cracked. He's gonna go ahead and mix this up while I get some flour.
Chef Spills back in the building.
And we're just gonna put the flour on this plate right here.
Wrist, 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 wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Woo, flick of the wrist.
Woo. Alright, we got flour.
Look at that.
And then the next step, we gotta open up our smock sticks or string cheese. We're probably just gonna make all these, to be honest. I think we need one more plate, even though we're already using up a lot of dishes. But we got the string cheese.
Done.
And now, how do we get in there? Okay, now we're gonna open up all these string cheeses. Or maybe not them all, we can just open them as we make them. So then the next step after we open these, we have to first coat the string cheese in flour. And then, and I'm reading a recipe obviously. And then we coat it in egg. And then, how long was you doing that? And then after the egg, you put it in the Cheetos. After the Cheetos, you put it back in the egg. And then after the egg, you put it back in the Cheetos. So here we go, I'm nervous. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do the first one. So this is the frozen mozzarella stick. Oh yeah, I don't know if we said this or not, but you're supposed to freeze these for a couple hours before you start making the mozzarella sticks. First is the flour.
Alright.
So here's the flour.
Dip. Nice.
Shake that off. Flour. All right, so then we're gonna coat this in egg.
Nice.
Egg. Next is the crushed Cheetos.
Just roll it around. Let it stop, drop, and roll.
Oh, that's a whole Cheeto right there.
Come on, babe. You gotta let it stop, drop, and roll.
No, you can't put it you can't roll it, because then like it's gonna get clumpy. This is gonna get clumpy and then it's gonna be a waste.
I'll take your word for it.
Okay, back in the egg.
All right.
And then back in the Cheetos.
Voila. Look at that masterpiece.
All right, y'all, we're gonna put this in the grease. We're gonna bring y'all up close and personal for the first round.
All right.
Ready? All right, this is number 1. We had to do a trial run first.
All right, let's get it in a few minutes and see how it turns out.
All right, y'all, so while this one's cooking, we're gonna have Mr. Spiller here do some more roll. Well, I guess we can both do them, but so flour, egg, chips, egg, chips.
Let's see if I can remember that. Ooh la la. Flour. I'm gonna let it stop, drop, and roll. I don't know about Chef Boy RD over here. Jay Spills RD. I'll let it do this. All right.
Flour, egg. All right, this smells like it's about a couple seconds from being done, y'all. That didn't look like enough egg, but you know what? It's too late now.
Bet you mine's turn out better.
How you gonna know?
You're right. All right, then you said what is it?
Egg.
Egg again.
All right, y'all. I think it's about done. This is pretty crispy. Wow, look at that. show y'all how this came out.
Oh, we finished around the same time. Look at that. Look at that clunky mug. Ooh,
Hey.
that's the Jamil one right there, boy.
This is the finished product. Ooh. We're gonna taste this when they get a little cooled down. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Sure does. It's my partner in crime right here, even when it comes to cooking. I'm really her partner in crime. She usually leads the cooking operation.
All right, we can keep this going.
Psych.
All right. Mr. Spiller's washing his hands. I'm gonna keep going while we got the grease on. Do you guys have Valentine's Day ideas? If you do, comment them down below. Or I said ideas. I meant to say Valentine's Day plans, not ideas.
Yeah, comment them down below so I can steal them.
Their plans.
Yeah.
So you don't got another plan for Valentine's Day? And it's about a week away?
Exactly.
Wow.
Baby, I'm back. Baby, I'm back. Man, that one over there that's already done looking like such a tease.
Yeah, I kind of want to try it. Maybe we should. This is looking too good. I think I want to taste test.
Look at her putting her cheese back in.
They didn't need to see
She's
that.
stuffing it.
All right, y'all. Taste test number 1 while the rest cooks.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't know. Not bad.
Interesting.
Trying to decide if I like the regular ones better.
Right.
Like, I think they're good enough to continue eating, but would I do this instead?
Probably not. So I can't really even. I don't really taste hot flaming.
You don't?
No?
What do you taste?
Cheese and like the.
Coating?
Yeah.
Pretty decent to me.
Is this how regular mozzarella cheese sticks are made?
Probably, but just with breading instead of hot Cheetos. I think so.
I don't know. I think they turn out better in the restaurant.
That they probably go through the same procedure, but do it better than us.
I don't
Because
know.
they're experts.
What could they be doing better? I don't know.
Oh my gosh. How else would they make it? You think they just stuff something with cheese and...
That's for one of you restaurant goers to tell us. I know one of y'all worked at a restaurant that made mozzarella cheese sticks. Y'all tell us how they're made. Or do they already come pre-made and y'all just like heat them up basically? Like, are they made in a factory and then shipped to the restaurant? I'm curious. I would like to know.
And we're back with the finished product. Mozzarella sticks. Mozzarella stick.
This is how they turned out.
I'm gonna try some ranch, but well, we already tried it. So, what do you rate this?
I would say it definitely looks better than it tastes. And I would rate it a 6 out of 10, you guys.
6 out of 10.
Barely passable.
What?
It passed, but barely.
6 out of 10 is not passing. Well, a D.
Technically, yeah. Technically, if we're going off technicalities, you know.
I rate it a 6.8.
So you basically agree with me.
Yeah, it's a little bit higher than a 6, but not quite. Because if it's a C or like a 7 out of 10 average, then it's like I would eat it. Like, you know. Well, I wouldn't say I wouldn't eat this again. But it's just a little bit below good. Like, or okay. I don't know. It's like I would eat these. Like I would probably eat like 1 or 2 more, but like maybe 1 more or 2. I don't know.
I think I would rather have regular mozzarella cheese sticks.
I would too.
But this was a good experiment. I would say this was fun and worth trying for sure. So
yeah. Like if you eat too many, and I'm just hungry right now, it probably look like I'm smashing these, but I don't know, we haven't eaten all day.
So there you have it for our first episode of Cooking with JD4EVER. We hope you guys enjoyed cooking with us, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Any parting words?
Nope. If you guys have tried this, comment what you think about it. What do you rate it if you have tried it or if you do try this?
Right.
Very curious.
All right, we love you guys, JD fam. Until next time.
Yes, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to our next video and like, comment, subscribe on your way out.
Peace.